REE corners and control systems are the cornerstone upon which we at REE intend to lead the electric mobility revolution. Our modules are designed to provide propulsion, steering and braking. They're packaged into the platform corner, hence corners, where they are commanded actuated by wire. REE corners are the basis of the REE board, a flat and ultra-modular frame base housing batteries, which allows our customers to tailor their unique body styling, their top hat, on the architecture of the platform. Usually, when it comes to making vehicles, manufacturers will design and build with a great deal of value in-house, demanding significant capital. This can involve spending vast sums on manufacturing and production lines built to meet whatever peak capacity they're expecting, but giving them very little flexibility when it comes to customer demand, product variation, ramping up, or indeed the flexibility to supply the local demand. That is not what we intend to do at REE. Our intention is to be modular and agile in our manufacturing process, or capital light. What I mean by that is that we won't duplicate existing supplier assets or expensive manufacturing assets that don't provide value. Instead, we will intend to source components, be they gearboxes, suspension units, drivetrains, brakes, knuckles, rotors, bearings, or what have you, from existing capacity at leading global Tier 1s and Tier 2s, and then carry out our key value-added activities to assemble the REE corner and our controls within our system. The benefit of this approach is the potential to utilise and capitalise on the expected available manufacturing capacity resulting from a global drop in peak capacity, which was at around circa 100 million vehicles a year. We intend to tap into this spare capacity for our benefit and for the benefit of our partners. So it's a fairly elegant way of reducing unnecessary capital in the world and using what's already been built to boost efficiency. In fact, the only plants we intend to build ourselves are integration centres. These centres repurpose from existing facilities that have become available, and where we plan to assemble, test and approve the corners and controls destined for multiple body designs. Initially in the United States, Germany and Japan, and later on in more strategic locations around the globe as we grow our international footprint. Our assembly lines will be modular. We plan to develop them so that they can be deployed and brought online with capacities of around 1 million units in just 10 months. And so it will be easy to dismantle them and move them anywhere in the world where required. This is how you build scale in the new era of electric mobility. While this may mean less new capital by REE in the countries where we intend to operate, we believe that what it does mean is that workers whose jobs might otherwise be lost due to the declining output will be kept on. They will be working with new technologies such as electric vehicles and learning new skills. What's more, using existing factories will allow us to minimise our environmental impact and avoid adding to the manufacturing carbon footprint. Of course, the upside for us is that we will have the opportunity to keep overheads to a minimum while boosting our margins. Set against this backdrop, you may be wondering how we can assure quality control. The answer is that we are first and foremost an automotive company. We will develop our products to global standards in design, validation, and most importantly, safety. Everything that goes into a REE corner will be rigorously tested to the most exacting of standards. Of course, when components are being made in factories spread all over the world, we'll need to be on top of supply chain and business continuity risk. And we will. As well as stress testing all components, we'll stress test our supply chains too, ensuring we have contingencies in place so that where possible, no matter what happens, all of the parts and products we require are delivered whenever and wherever we need them to our customers. Our platform and our manufacturing approach brings significant benefits for everything from functionality to social support. We aim to be the leader in the e-mobility space and promote more environmentally and socially sustainable industrial development. And as demand grows, we will have the agility to follow it. And so we'll build REE on a solid yet flexible foundation. Our engineering centre in the UK, which feeds off the genius of the Tel Aviv team, is designing the product, building on a platform that we're now developing here in the UK. Beyond these shores, we plan to be prepared to go wherever the market wants and leads us. Using our assessment tools and processes, we'll decide where to locate our factories. There is still plenty of analysis and investigation to be done as the market matures and the picture becomes clearer. When you set a goal of being up and running anywhere in the world in just 10 months, time is on our side.